it's me, Bianca. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get beautiful, perfect, fabulous press-on nails at home that actually last 2 to 3 weeks. It's me, Bianca. So you're obviously going to start with no nails and clean hands, and this is the nail set I'm going to use. I start by sizing every single nail to my finger and then setting them aside so that just makes it easy when I am ready to place them. I already know where all the nails go, and I just place them right above so they all look neat, nice and neat, and are ready and sized. Next, I'm going to grab my glue and I'm going to cut that blotch so that when I'm ready to use it, it's ready to go. Next, I'm going to file my nails, and this is super important. You're going to file every single nail so that your fake nail has something to grab onto. You want them to be kind of rough and gritty. So you're not going to buff them smooth or anything like that. Like I know at some nail salons, like they buff them smooth before you put on nails. No, honey, no. You want them to be rough and tough, if you know what I mean. Once you have finished filing every single nail, you are going to want to also file each nail individually. This is super important as well. Like I said, you want the nail and the glue to have something to stick to, so the grittier they are, the better. And I also like to make sure I file the edges of the nail, if that makes sense. I also forgot to mention you want to push back your cuticles. Now, because I had just had nails on, they were already pretty pushed back. Because I do nail vids and stuff, I change my nails very often, but I'll probably end up keeping this set on actually for a while. Then you're gonna place glue on your nail and the fake nail. Now, my tip to you is to place glue on the outer parts of your nail along with the fake nail. You're gonna want to kind of test this out. You don't want to put too much glue on either your nail or the fake nail. So it's a little on each, okay? Then you're gonna want to wait a few seconds before applying. This is important as well. You don't want it to be too wet. So it all just takes practice, but whenever I press in the nail, I kind of go at an angle so that it sits flush with the apex of your nail, and then I press firmly, and then I move my nail like left and right, and kind of wiggle till I feel like it's really stuck on there, and I really take my time with each nail to make sure it's really glued on. Another tip, and something that helps me, is I always do my non-dominant hand first. That just helps me. Another huge tip I have for you that I believe is the reason why my nails last as long as they do is because I always do my nails right before bed so that the glue literally will dry. And when I say I do them right before bed, that means I'm not washing my hands again. I'm not getting my hands wet, period, boo-boo. I did all my skincare, I brushed my teeth. I literally did everything I needed to do before going to bed. My hands are not touching water for at least 8 hours if I get good sleep for 8 hours, or however long that you sleep, so that your nails have proper time to dry. So this is one of my biggest tips in making your nails last, boo-boo, for 2 to 3 weeks. I swear by this. And another thing, if you need to, like on the middle finger, I didn't show this, but I filed it down so that it's a little bit more seamless. And yeah, here are my nails all done. And in the morning, after I have went to bed and slept for 8 hours, that's when I put cuticle oil on, because I don't want to put anything to disrupt the glue or anything like that. Like I said, I don't touch them after this. I let them dry fully, and here they are, beautiful the next morning, and they're just so pretty. I absolutely love them, and we're still going strong, boo-boo. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.